Hey there, iCanopy. I just came across your brand here on Amazon. I was taking a look at one of your listings here for your Canopy product, and I wanted to first say great job on the product. You've got over 3,200 really positive ratings. But that being said, I wanted to share some tips to help you grow your sales on Amazon. My name is Matt. I'm an account executive here at my Amazon Guy. And the first thing that I noticed, really the big thing that I noticed I was missing from your listing here is some more lifestyle imagery. You do have some pretty nice infographics. Overall, I like your infographics, but you only have one lifestyle photo. And this, there's no humans in any of the photos here. So it's just, I can tell, it's kind of Photoshop there, which I think that's fine. I think the Photoshop is fine, but you do definitely want to include some lifestyle photos. I'm thinking of people at the beach, people camping like here, people just enjoying the product. It's a product that people buy to really enjoy it. And so you want to really convey that to the customer. I'm sure actually, let me just click on one of these here kind of at random, one here, and you can see what they're doing. They've got, here's a lifestyle shot. We scroll down to their A plus content. By the way, you're also missing a from the brand module. That's a module that goes above your A plus content, just like they're doing here. And this is what I mean by the lifestyle shots, right? Things like this, where you're showing it in different settings, being used in different places, just like they're doing right here. And so that's one thing that's definitely missing from your listing. Your A plus content too, it's just not very engaging. It's not really making me want to buy. I do like how you're showing some of the different components, and that is important. But again, just not showing the lifestyle parts is, I think, missing some sales, right? People are looking at this and maybe clicking away. And so definitely a big opportunity there. Now, looking at your traffic, you are indexing for over 5,000 keywords, which is pretty good. I was taking a look at some other listings here in the space, and that is pretty good. Let me actually take a look at these guys. The I guess it's Five Villa, but 5,400. Even though that is good, there's still definitely room to improve your organic. And one of the ways that we do that is through our Phase 3 SEO, where we look for keywords in your top. Here's a good one right away. So here, the keyword tent canopy. It's got 12,000 people searching for it every month, and you're currently ranked number 20. So you're not really getting a whole lot of traffic on that search. You're showing up probably about halfway down the page, and you're really not getting. Most people are not scrolling that far down. Here you are actually right here. So yeah, I was about right about halfway down the page. Really, where you want to be, of course, is in the top section up here. Now that you're also not running any PPC on that keyword, probably because it's a pretty costly, expensive keyword and competitive keyword to run ads on. But there's still things that we can do to get you ranked organically. And one of them, by the way, and let me just get that keyword, copy it to my clipboard. It's tent canopy, and let's search for it. Let's see how many times you say that in the listing here. And it looks like you actually don't exact match for it even a single time in the listing. So definitely something that I would do is exact match for that keyword, right? Because that's what people are searching for is tent canopy. You want to make sure you really tell Amazon that your product is a tent canopy. You do say here tent, and then you say canopy, but you've got shelter in between. You do want to exact match for exactly tent canopy with nothing in between there. So that is important. It's going to help you matriculate that keyword into the top, ideally in the top 10. Maybe running some PPC too, depending on what the ACoS is looking like. But both of those things together are important. So anyway, if you click my calendar link below, you can book a call with me. I got a bunch more growth tips for you, a bunch of things that you can do. We do everything from PPC to design, SEO, as well as catalog management. We actually manage over 250 brands. I look forward to talking to you soon. And my calendar link is below. And you can click that calendar link and book a call with me. Thanks.